Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to add Tabnine into IntelliJ as well as use it, set it up properly, and get the most from it. So let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get Tabnine into IntelliJ. So I've opened IntelliJ. It's here on my computer. We're going to go on the left hand side, we're going to click on plugins, and here we are going to of course type in Tabnine. Here you can see it's this one. It says Tabnine AI chat and autocomplete for JavaScript, Python, and so on. Let's go and click on install. Let's click on accept, and this should take just a few seconds. What we need to do now is we need to restart our IntelliJ. So you can either click there or there, same thing, and we're going to go and click on restart. So it'll give you the opportunity to do this now. Give it a few seconds and it will start up again. Okay, let's go ahead and start a new project over here. We're going to go and just name it, keep it untitled, and we're going to just keep everything as is. Let's go ahead and click on create. Now, once we have created this, we can now see on the bottom right hand side, we've got our full line code completion is disabled. So we need to go into plugin settings over here on the bottom right hand side. This will now open our settings, and we can just make sure that our full code completion is actually enabled. All right, you can see now that Tabnine is in fact enabled, so that's fine. Let's just say okay, and that's great. You can see down over here, Tabnine is here. So we're just going to go ahead and click on open the Tabnine hub. This will now automatically open up this sign in page over here. So we're just going to go ahead and create an account if we don't have one. And if we do have an account, we're just going to sign in. Once you've done so, you'll land up on this page. This is just confirming that you are signed in. Let's go ahead and open up here again IntelliJ, and here you can start your coding, and then you can see down over here, if you click over here, you can pause your Tabnine completions, and on the right hand side you can actually go here, and here's the Tabnine chat. Now the basic is no longer available, so you will need to upgrade to actually use Tabnine in IntelliJ. So either you're going to go ahead and start your trial, or you are going to evaluate your enterprise, and then it'll give you a plan that is suited to your specific needs. There you go. You can now use it once you've signed up. You can use it within IntelliJ. I hope this was helpful.